Hi guys and gals, welcome to T.A.B.Videos. Glad you could stop by. Brought out the PSA Dagger Compact. I've got the Zalissi green dot on this one. Targets are painted red. And I'm not going to do anything with this today except run defensive ammo through it. The first one we're going to try is 147 grain evergreen hollow point. I've been wanting to get out here and do this because I haven't shot any defensive ammo through this. So far she's running good. Other than my initial review, you remember way back when I got it, I was having some problems with it. But it was drier than chips, so once I lubricated it, brought it back out, she's worked flawless. So now we're going to see if it'll work with defensive ammo. And the second mag is going to be Federal Personal Defense 124 grain Hydroshock. And according to the box, they're going about 1120. The 147s, I've got them about, they're pretty hot. I got them about 1070. So we're gonna try the reloads first. Throw that box over there and see what happens here. Okay, all of those worked. I brought out, I don't know, 4 or 5 different defense. Now I only had 7 of these Hydroshocks, so we're gonna go ahead and use them up. About to lose my target. Okay, let's go down there and fix that. Okay, the next ones we got are the Winchester Silver Tip 115 grain, and they're showing these at 1225 at the muzzle, and the Federal Punch 124 grain, they're showing these at 1150. I don't think our one target's going to stay up there very long, so we'll do what we can. First up, I only had 7 of these. I thought I grabbed a full box, but I only grabbed a partial box. That's what you get for not looking, right? So here you go, Federal Punch. Okay, Winchester Silver Tip. Okay, everything's firing so far. I got one more, and let's get this one out. Okay, my J-post fell down. I may get another stand and put that on 2x4s too. That, or I'm gonna put it in the backyard. Ain't decided yet. Next round we got is Sig Sauer V Crown 9mm 124 grains, and they're showing this 1165 at the muzzle. We're not really doing an accuracy test on these today. We're just wanting to see if they function. So far we're good, but of course I would have to put more through it before I trust my life with it. Yeah, they all work. Accuracy wasn't worth the crap, but that's the shooter's fault, not the ammo. As usually the case. Well, there you go. We put, I don't know, 10, 20, 27, 34, 44, about 45 rounds to it. Like I said, I will have to do this all over again, except I'm going to put it on paper for accuracy. I just wanted to get out and see if this thing is working, and it is working. It's fed it all, no problem whatsoever. If you like videos like this, hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification. Of course, comments welcome. Thanks for watching. God bless America and our armed forces, past and present. We will see you on the next video.